Let's talk about the access modifier, which play the very important roles in in achieving the encapsulation. So what exactly the encapsulation? Encapsulation is the hiding of details, hiding of necessary details. So if I say the encapsulation is hiding the necessary detail. Now, what happened, my friends, because we, as a purpose of security and hiding the details, we didn't want to show the identity of a particular class. Why? Because if we compromise the identity, that anybody can manipulate the identities of the particular class. Let us take an example of the person, the same class. In the person, we are having a name, we are having an age, we are having gender, and we are having a occupation. Now, what is happening over here? These are the identifier, and as per the rules of object-oriented principle, we didn't want anybody to access these four directly. Because if somebody accesses it directly, that means anybody can manipulate it. Now, what we can do, we can hide it, and how we can hide it? By using the modifiers, most importantly known with the name of the access modifier, and these are public, private, protected, and default. So we will talk about each of these modifier one by one in next upcoming chapters.